Painting a large flower pot can be fun and create by add personality and color to your garden. Here are some ideas painting for big flower pots. Paint vibrant tropical scenes with the palm trees, colors, flowers, and exotic birds to create lively and tropical atmosphere. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest interested videos. And also this video share to your friends. Use bold geometrical shapes and vibrant colors to create a mosaic style patterns on the flower pot. Resembling intricate tiles and spine glass. Paint a large sunflower or intricate floral patterns that wrap around the entire pot. Adding a cheerful and nature-inspired touch. Express your creativity with abstract designs, bold color or free-flowing patterns to create a eye-catching focal point. So please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also this video share to your friends and also family members. Paint which match animals like butterflies, ladybugs, birds, or even favorite pets bring a playful and charming vibe of the pot. Create a seasonal themes such as autumn leaves, winter snowfalls, spring blows more, summer beach scenes to reflect the time of year. Over soil, fruits or vegetables like strawberries, watermelons, watermelons or tomatoes for a fun vibrant garden theme pot. Paint screen landscapes such as mountains, lakes or countryside scenes to add a calming pictures touch to your garden. Gradually blend colors for a light of drop, create monochromatic ombre effect that transforms smoothly around the pot. Let your imagination run wild by painting jewelry pattern doodles or even quotes that reflect personality and style. For painting, make sure core surface is clean and dry. Consider using weather outdoor use ensure longer at work. So, additionally, applying clear weatherproof and after painting clean help protect design from the elements. So please subscribe our channel.